Hello guys, this is James OFW Nanay Mariang Pala de kay Madam Karay. And our vlog for today, because our vlog for today is we show all the toys of James that we have in our room. So he's looking for the Bakugan stuff. Hello guys, welcome to James. We are in the bed. He's making messy every time. This is daddy. He received it from his daddy. And he received his during his birthday, 7th birthday. And that is 6th birthday. And that is 5th birthday. He received those extra the same style. And this one from his daddy, he collecting because his daddy is collecting for this for him. Yes, this is side window, and this is, guys, this is exot. Yeah, and this gun is Blizzstorm soft bullet gun. Yes, those are James collection. Those are James collection, guys. This is water sumpit tawag sa amo dam. Sumpit na tawag sa amo, na sa amo bukid. Yes, a lot of toys. And he doesn't want to give to someone first. James, you don't want them to give it to someone, the one that they needed most. And he has a lot of different masks. Guys. He has a mask. He has also another mask. This is mask of Spider-Man that he received from their Ate Kokos. Amida pa. Itsa pa. Itsa. Okay, good job. Maragligon man kayo ng mga cars pa. Okay. This is very ligon. Guys, this is very ligon. Ano ligon sa Tagalog man? This is very, ayan. This is very matibay po. You know that I'm very cold. You make basa the bed.
You do basa?
And this one is gonna make like this, guys. This is the car. This is the cars collection, the small cars. This one, and we have motors, Ninja Kawasaki, and he has the police. This is called police, and this is another motor. This is very ligon the hot mga fender. This is very ligon. It's very. This one is a different car, types of cars. This one also is, hindi ko na alam yan, nakalimutan ko na, basta yan, oh. Ito is Maiso Jaguar. Ito is Tomica. Very ligon sila nga na cars. Different types of cars because he loves to buy cars. This is not working. There is battery, spy gear manday ni pang spy battery with spy gear yan. Ito naman is si Hot Wheels. Ayan yung pang ano ng Hot Wheels niya. Yan yung ina ng Hot Wheels. Ayan, Hot Wheels. Ito naman is it's steel to siya, steel. Software driver. Ayan. Made in Macau. Super band. Ito naman is steel pa din. So, napaka-ano niya. Another this one. Different types of small things, toys. Ito din is steel pa din. And also this one. Ayan. James collection toys and small cars. Ayan. It's too much. It's too much, guys. Have too much. And this one. I like to buy some different kinds toys because when I was young, I don't have toys. We just use the slipper and cut it to circle and make it like a wheel. That's why my son every time.
You made the wheel?
That's why my son.
Wait. You made the wheel.
Yeah, Daddy knows how to do that kind of. And this one have James collection cars, guys. And this one also the band, the Lufthansa, and this kind the Fender. This is also the very, this very adorable small toys. Yeah.
No, this is big.
This is also very adorable because it's very strong, you know. Yeah, we just bought this one in the second
Store.
This is also, it's very strong. Second-hand shop. Lamborghini Gallardo. We have the Lamborghini Gallardo. This one also. Because I love to buy for James this kind of. This is from Amukali, Daddy. From the son of my boss. Give it to James when James is 3 years old, but James don't know how to play with it. That's why we keep it, and it's nice. What's called this one? Monster Truck. Yeah, this is Monster Truck, guys. So there's too much, and this is kind of different. This is Sandman, ayan, guys. There's also a lot of different toys. We're gonna show you more. This one also is nice, and with ignition. This one, it has too much cars anyway. That's all his collection, the tiny. Anyway, every time he go to the second-hand shop here in Jeddah, he's not going home without holding something. And I love to collect also this one, guys, because this is it's not easily to break, because it's like steel. Yeah, it's very strong cars. That's why. That's it, guys. And next we will show you his collection, the one that he bought in the Toys R Us that he always coming there. Okay, guys, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, James the OFW. Hit the like buttons. And of course, hit the like buttons to be all, so you will notified our videos, more videos to come. And shout out to all my subscribers, the likers, and the commenters. God bless you, everyone. That is James OFW. That's him. That's him. Okay, guys, thank you ever so much. And hello, guys. Let's welcome for James World to James OFW. And this is all his toys that his father showing or buying or arranging. But James keep all his toys to be remember for him soon at his older age, for his kids and his apus. Now they have lots of Legos. What happened to those Legos, Daddy? Legos.
He broke it.
Too much toys. Here, welcome, guys. Welcome to our house. These are the messy house because of his toys. And yeah, that is James Tatay, the chef. He's Christian, the Mr. Chef, the killer ng Karop yan. He's the Master Chef, the Karop staff, or the tupa, okay? He has big boat. Excuse me. And he has toys. He has cars. And he has big exot. Another exot. Exot, the small exot. And the long exot. And this is the Blizzard Storm. Exot again. Another exot. Exot overload, and there has a Nerf gun, his favorite. Has a lot of batteries to be recharged, and that is the Splash. It's a lot of small cars, but we cannot see it now. now, right now, because it's all messy the house. And guys, we're gonna show that. We're gonna show you a more. Has transformer there. And it's not transformer. It's wrong. It's Power Ranger. And he has a lot of toys up there. He has, what's it called, Daddy? The James, what this is called, this one? This kind of toy. Okay. And he has a lot of different cars, Lamborghinis, and the huge car that he received from the Kuya Abdullah. And that's the big car also received from who that one, Jane? Ati Kuko. And we have also Ferraris. And that's all the cars. There's more cars. And that other cars is the Bluetooth speaker. Yes, that is all his collection. And that's the collection of his stuffed toys that he doesn't want to let go. Over there also we have stuffed toy that he doesn't want to let go. And so he has all the stuff, guys. He has that 2 swords. It was from the 24 years, the turtle swords. Kapila kalit na pang. That is 24 years already. This is swords. This is swords. It is 24 years. This kind of Ninja Turtle swords. Because it came from Kuya Abdullah and from the twin. Kuya Abdullah, the son of my boss. And we have also lots of toys that is, what is called that, Daddy? Ninja Turtles, the big one. Has another boat. Another boat. This is another boat, guys. That is working the naval battle game. Naval battle game. And it has James' collection of Legos that he assembled it. And that James' collection, that the green, yellow, there's a lot of things that one. Such there is a lot of toys. Has flash. Oh my god, Daddy. What the heck with that? Oh my god, Daddy. Too much. And also put it out, that one, this one, Daddy. No, that one. This is from also the Kuya Abdullah and Kuya Khaled. This toys is came from, I don't know, Dromasor. This is 24 years already, so that is vintage. We have this, we have plane, Microsoft. Guys, this is all the stuff of James. Another the Nerf, what's it called this? Nerf Nitro. There is a Christmas card with this. Daddy, and this one, Daddy, why it's nice, that one. Describe your toy. What is that, Yang? What is that? Transformer.
It is transformer, but you don't know how to
Assemble that to transform. He has this one, microwave. I like this, Daddy, to make it a decoration collection. Yeah, supposed to be put over there. It's nice. I think it was 25 real or 20 real, Daddy. Right, Daddy?
40 reals.
20 reals.
40 reals.
40 reals? Really? And then this one is not assembled. Yes, assembled. It's not assembled. Yes, oh guys. That is 24 years old. Toys, dinosaur, and the Surge. Has James have